and welcome to another exciting episode of Design with Pam. Today we're going to be creating this really cool 3D social media illustration, and guess what, we're not creating this in Figma today. So let me show you what we're creating today. This is going to be really cool. Like, I know you've been seeing this trend on social media, right? But I'm going to show you how to create it today. So let's get right into it. What you're going to do is to type bing.com on your browser. So once you do that, just click on images here. So once you click on images, just type create. All right, so once you click on create, just paste your prompt, all right, and then you start creating. Then you give it some time and it's going to generate really cool images for you, just like this. And this is the prompt that I'm using. This prompt, you can change the social media that you want to be displayed. Maybe not YouTube, you could change it to Instagram and all of that. So yeah, thank you for coming to today's episode of Design with Pam. Found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Encourage me to continue this tutorials, and thank you for watching. See you next class.